Well, hello everybody, welcome to Life Disney and Beyond. We're here at D23
2019!
Yes, we made it.
We're really excited. We just checked in. We got our badge lanyards.
Yep, we're across the street from Disneyland at the Anaheim Convention Center. Look at this crowd coming in.
It's crazy.
Security was pretty efficient. We got through without a problem.
We really did. It's great. So we're really excited. We're going to check in. We're going to be here all 3 days, but today we're just going to give you the big, broad overview of what's going on, check out everything in there, and just hopefully capture some of the energy, because this is the biggest Disney fan event ever, and we are so excited. So if you're ready, if you're ready, let's go!
It's a photo for the web, with the web.
1, 2.
Here's the parks booth. Look at how cool this is. Here's the concept for what they're calling Avengers Campus, aka Marvel Land. Oh, and they did it like a
I know there's a map inside, but
so this is a really cool type of mural where it's segmented, so you, when you're at this angle you can see, you know, Marvel Land, and then if you go like this, then you see it says Disney Parks. Look, it's the claw. Wow, what execution. All right, checking out the Avengers Campus. Here's some of the artwork, how it's gonna look when you're walking through there. Here's the layout model. So that would be Guardians there. And there is the campus with the Avengers logo as a centerpiece, it looks like. Maybe the Spider-Man attraction over there in that big building. There's another great concept photo, and you can see Guardians Tower in the background there.
oh, cool. So there's Guardians. That's the only landmark we really have.
Yeah. So it's a Tron light cycle. Look at this, you guys, coming to Walt Disney World that we know of. But hopefully someday we'll get that in Tomorrowland, we're hoping. All right, Mickey's Runaway Railway coming to Walt Disney World and Disneyland, and there is the ride vehicle. We'll be riding in the back there. And there's the front. Look at Katie's already riding, look. Katie's the first rider on Runaway Railway. She's excited. Looks a lot like a Casey Jr. train to me, but that's a good thing. That's a compliment.
So cool.
Cast member outfits for Tron. And cast member outfits for Runaway Railway.
Guys, we're gonna go to Shanghai and get a preview of what Zootopia is like.
Oh yeah, Zootopia coming 2022 to Shanghai.
Welcome to D23 Expo. We're here. We're so excited. You want a Jelly Belly?
So we don't have the Skyway at Disneyland anymore, but we can pretend with this mock-up of the Skyliner at Walt Disney World. There we go. Bye, Katie.
Bye.
Star Wars luggage tag. Yes, absolutely. Thank you. And look, you can even get a Dole Whip at the Tiki Hut. You gotta love the Disney Dream Store sign, all retroed out, 50s style, and then a giant Dole Whip. It's life size. You can get your photo in an original Autopia car right there. Look at that. And there's a little Autopia exhibit about the history of Autopia. There's another Autopia car right there. A Mark 7 version, 1967 to 2000. Designer Bob Gurr, our hero.
You owe it? There it is.
There it is. Well done. The Marvel teasers going on in a very colorful Marvel booth. Back on Gold Dust Vader. It's got, look at, amazing. Voice is perfect. The inflatable carbonite Solo. There he is. He's doing some shopping today. You finding everything you want?
So far, so far.
All right, bags and bags of merch. Look at this. Look at this pile.
They're even being interviewed because they bought
That's worthy of media coverage, that's for sure. This is the first time I've seen a whole row of Sith Troopers. Now they look really intimidating, actually. If you had a bunch of them coming at you, oh my gosh. So this is the D23 Goldmember Lounge where you can come hang out, charge your phone, relax. Got some couches. Looks like an incentive as well. So one of my favorite publishers is here, Taschen. They're the guys that put together this book, Walt Disney's Disneyland, that came out this year. They make such great books, period. I mean, look at, there's a nice Stan Lee book. They have a store over at Farmers Market in Los Angeles. Anything pop culture, anything art-wise, Taschen, that's your publisher, they're the best. These Marvel Legos.
They were signed.
Oh yeah, they're signed, look at that. What up, Iron Man? So Zazzle, the company that customizes, you know, hats and t-shirts and things, is here, and you can make custom t-shirts and hats and things on these iPads, which is very cool. Here's some of the results over here. I have 3 wishes. 1 is that I want to get into the parks panel. 2 is that I want to get into the parks panel. 3,
I saw that
I want to get into the parks panel. Oh, hey Crush, dude. We ended up underwater here at the Nat Geo booth. Look at all this. So a lot of this sculpture is made of single-use plastic, which we're trying to eliminate using that stuff.
So it's like ping pong balls, takeout containers, stuff like that.
Straws.
I know not what you speak of.
Yeah.
Look at the otter.
But it's so the otter can live
like that.
safely and healthy. But it's very cool because it's like we're underwater. It's like we're in the Little Mermaid ride.
I know, I love it.
Yeah, it's Pop-Up Disney.
Here's the closest we're gonna get to actually going to Pop-Up.
Yeah, yeah. You don't have to go now. There it is, and boom. It's actually a hidden Mickey. Boom, boom, boom. Yeah, and look, here's a Donald Duck. Katie, can you do that Donald face for me?
Yes.
Right there.
Doesn't look like it, does it?
It doesn't. Try this one.
This one?
Yeah.
Okay. Is he looking up?
Yeah, he's looking up that way. Nice.
I did it.
Happy 85 years, Donald. I have attained the inflatable Infinity Gauntlet. Right in front of my buddy, Inflatable Spidey. Throwing some inflatable webs. Well, look at that.
What are the chances?
The balloon version. Oh, those are amazing. Excuse me, can I just, oh. The claw. He's the partner statue. Oh, here it is, here it is. Wow. It's like he's here. So good, dude. Yes. And look, it's a toad car, it's a weasel. And a Skyway bucket as well. I remember when these things used to swing back and forth when you first got in them. And the man behind the design, there he is, right there, checking out his Skyway design.
Yes, I designed this way back in the day.
Looks really good, Bob Gurr.
Thank you.
Young Bob Gurr, I should say. Yes, we need the appropriate glasses.
Where's my Gertini?
So this is a remote control boat from the Disneyland Hotel when they had a Jungle Cruise, remote Jungle Cruise attraction that you could operate these. That is classic. Some amazing Small World art. Some original Disney mittens, look at that. So this is a sleepy animatronic from the original 1955 Snow White ride. Before it was the Scary Adventure, it was just Snow White and her adventures. Here's a photo op, a Bugs Land tribute type of deal. The Ladybug Boogie, there was the ride vehicle. And then look, it's Heimlich. Remember, we used to ride in this guy. Hey, Heimlich. All right, Simpsons photo op back here. kind of, it's just still kind of hard to digest. I love The Simpsons, but that it's part of the Disney property now is just kind of weird. Mark Twain. We're at the Justin's Card Bob Gurt booth. There's Allie running the game. Thank you, Allie. Look at Bob. Look at him. And Justin's coloring book. There's the guy that made this. Justin, I love this, by the way. This is amazing.
You know how Bob Gurt has his new book?
Yeah.
I had to come with this coloring book so that I could tell him, Bob, I'm also an author now.
It's amazing.
And I didn't draw all the pictures, just 2.
Oh, you did? Okay.
But I did write some of the captions, so I think that counts.
That does count.
I think I'm a book writer now.
You are a book writer. Congratulations.
Me as filmmaker.
Yes.
And author.
Is this haunted room actually stretching?
Or is it a cabinet?
It's a cabinet. Digging these old school cookie jars. Look at that one. It's cookie time all the time. That's right. Some classic attraction posters, complete with rocket jets, which we still have in a different form, but that's the old school retro version that was on top of the People Mover cube. All right, this is the Haunted Mansion Design Challenge that D23 put together this year, where artists could submit designs and sculptures and artwork related to Haunted Mansion, and they had a contest. And these are some of the people in the contest that you're seeing displayed here. It's a very cool 3-dimensional version of Hitchhiking Ghosts. Kind of a cool purse type thing there, isn't it? That's amazing. It's the pipe organ inside the ballroom. Look at that sculpture. Wow. Probably one of the coolest Hatbox Ghosts renditions I've ever seen. Look how maniacal he looks. It's a Madame Leota slot machine. Are you kidding me? The jackpot is obviously the 3 Hitchhiking Ghosts in a row. It is decidedly so. And of course, a Haunted Mansion Hitchhiking Ghost photo op. You gotta have that. Boy.
Paint the Night, one of the Jesse games.
It is Paint the Night.
Paint the Night, yes! When can we do this again? Oh, amazing.
And 5, 6, 7, 8. 1,
2, 3. Oh my!
Yes!
No! He's got the whole.
Buzz Lightyear.
Buzz Lightyear. Do. Yeah!
Amazing! Katie has spotted the Undertaker.
The Undertaker is here at D23.
Wow! Represent. Look at the resemblance to Robert Downey Jr. for this guy. It's shocking resemblance. What up, Hazel? See you, bro. Tony's here. Diz Life of Ours. You guys made it back. That's right.
Yeah, we gotta make things difficult. Spell with a Y.
Yeah, why?
Kind of an interesting piece from the Mickey's True Original exhibit that premiered in New York last year. I think that might be a little big for me. Seriously, look at the size of this thing, you guys. Look at it. The Mickey's head is way bigger than my head. That thing's huge. All right, we're gonna go in and see the Walt Disney Archives Heroes and Villains, the art of the Disney costume. So not only a glass slipper, but So not only the glass slipper, but not only the glass slipper, but Cinderella's entire dress. Wow. Some Mary Poppins costumes and original Julie Andrews right there. Look at that.
Can you believe Julie Andrews actually wore that? And Emily Blunt wore that?
Yeah, the more recent Emily Blunt version there. Cinderella's carriage. Look at this. Wow. So Adam, are you enjoying D23?
Yes, it's a lot going on here.
Quite a bit.
I'm overwhelmed.
Yeah.
Feet are tired. Walking.
Any standouts from today that you can think of?
Drawing up like a lot of good outfits.
A lot of good outfits, yeah.
The costumes in the archives area was awesome.
Yeah, that was pretty cool.
Kind of hurried through there because we got to catch the parade.
True, parade is next.
But pretty fantastic thus far.
All right,
I just feel like we've only hit a tip of the iceberg.
Just a little bit.
A lot more of the iceberg to go.
Yeah.
The whole chunk of the non-tip of the iceberg.
Yeah, the part that's underwater, it's way bigger than the iceberg itself, I'm told.
That's what they say, yeah.
Yeah.
That's what they say.
You want to watch the parade now? All right, let's watch the parade. Maxwell. Good to see you, buddy. You enjoying D23?
It's crazy.
Of course it is.
Madness.
Cheesy popness, dude. Good to see you, brother. Have fun. Katie got very excited because look at this Fantasmic costume. And look on the back. Amazing! Wow, this might win right here. You are in the runnings.
Like, what am I supposed to be doing now with the camera?
I know.
It's just fun to do that sometimes just to see what happens.
When Donald Duck was like, we're all in this together.
He was working it. I knew that that's what you were laughing at.
I couldn't even like hold my breath.
Well, he put so much effort into his choreography.
He did. He's like,
yeah.
With his little duck face.
And having to do all those moves. Yeah.
So cute. Vicky.
Wow.
I guess he's gonna watch this later. Yes.
Katie's losing her mind again because we found the Small World in a dress.
Oh my gosh. How long did it take you to make 3 years?
3 years. Wow, it was worth it.
Oh, listen. Na na na. Oh, stop.
Wow. Hello, Ursula. Yes. Unbelievable. So here's the Halcyon. This is the Star Wars hotel that's going in at Walt Disney World. That's the ship that you are theoretically staying on when you go to that resort. Wow, look at that lighting up. Very cool. Flora, fauna, merry weather. Yes. All right, well that wraps it up. D23, kind of a overall experience of what it's like. Day one.
Yeah,
there you go.
Fun. I think it was just fun, like seeing the show floor.
Yeah. Seeing
lots of friends. All the cosplay was incredible.
Really
as
good
usual.
cosplay. Yeah.
And if you guys like this video, please make sure to give it a thumbs up and hit your subscribe button. Don't forget to turn on your bell notifications.
Oh yeah.
And if you want to support Life Disney, you can become one of our Patreon members. We will put all the information in the description box right there below.
We will, and we'll see you next time on Life Disney and Beyond. Bye bye, everybody. Jawa's checking his social media.